in the spirit of giving, I've decided to have a little contest where I'm going to give you, the viewers and patrons, something in return, but you have to solve a little music mystery. And what we're going to do is the first 3 people who contact me through the Patreon site and have a explanation of how I created the music that you just heard will win some prizes. And you can go there and see the details about that. But what I need from you is to send me a message and tell me what was the system, or what's the code, you got to crack the code. What was the system I used to play all of the music you just heard? And all of everything you need to figure that out is in the video. And it's not that hard, but it's a little bit of a mystery. You got to do a little work and solve this problem. All right, so all the music you just heard was created in a certain way. The first few people that give me a description of how I did that, and it has to be complete. If it's incomplete, I'll let you know. But I'm excited about this, and I'm excited for you guys. And, you know, I want to thank you for supporting the channel, watching the channel, especially the patrons who chip in a little bit every month and make this possible. Good luck on that. The first 3 people that respond will win something. Go there and see what you can win. And good luck with that, and I'll see you in a future video. Thanks for watching.